This instructional video will walk you through how to properly set up and use your FitMi device with Rehab Studio software. To get started, open the FitMi box and remove all the contents. Here, you will find the user's manual, 2 FitMi pucks, 1 charging dock, 1 charging dock power cord, 1 Rehab Studio installer, and 1 FitMi receiver. Begin by charging the FitMi pucks for 1 hour. Make sure that both pucks and the FitMi receiver are fully inserted into the charging dock. Plug the charging dock power cord into an outlet and plug the other end into the FitMi charging dock. The indicator light on the pucks will glow red during charging and will turn green once the pucks are fully charged. Next, plug the flash drive into the USB receptacle on your Windows or Apple computer. If you're using an Apple computer, double-click on the Apple Rehab Studio installer icon on your desktop. If you do not see an icon, click the Finder icon in the menu bar. Then click on Apple Rehab Studio Installer under the Devices heading. Click Continue in the installer program. After reading the software end user's agreement, click Continue and Agree. Next, click Install. Then type your user password and click Install software. The installation process should take 1 to 3 minutes to complete. After installation is complete, click on Close. If you're using a Windows computer, click on the Windows Explorer icon on your taskbar and click on Rehab Studio USB drive. Next, double-click on Windows Rehab Studio Installer. Click on the checkbox after reading the terms in the license agreement and click Install. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to complete the setup. Next, remove the pucks from the charging dock and insert the FitMi receiver into the USB port on your computer. The pucks will vibrate and the indicator light will flash purple to indicate they have been connected to the receiver. Double-click on the Rehab Studio icon on your desktop to launch the program. You should now see the Rehab Studio User Select screen. You may click on Guest to log in without a password, or click New User to create a user. The first time you create a user, you will be prompted to create a master password. You can change the password at any time by clicking the key icon on the bottom of the screen. If at any time you forgot your password, you can use the default master password, 949-667-0140. You can delete a user by clicking the X next to a user's name. After you select a user, you will see the main menu screen. On this screen, you can click Create Regimen to manually select the exercises you would like your patient to practice. Alternatively, you can click on Quick Play to select a pre-built exercise regimen. The values on the left of the screen represent the total number of repetitions completed for each respective body part. The blue bar represents the percent of correctly completed reps out of the weekly goal. To get started, click on Create Regimen. On the left side of the screen, click on the body region that you would like to include in your regimen. On the right side of the screen, click on the exercise you would like to add and select the target number of repetitions for that exercise. You will now see this exercise listed in the regimen bar. To remove an exercise, click on the exercise in the regimen bar. Click Begin and select the duration of the regimen. In the game screen, follow the instructions on the top of the screen to set up the FitMi pucks for this exercise. To your left, you will see 2 images demonstrating the exercise you are required to complete. To view how to properly complete each exercise, click on the Watch Video button on the right side of the screen. Take a moment to attempt the exercise until you feel comfortable with how to complete it. When you wish to begin the exercise, click on the Start button. Once the exercise begins, a sliding arrow will appear over the images on the left side of the screen. Complete the exercise by moving with the FitMi pucks to match image that the arrow is pointing to. The arrow will snap over to the other image once you complete the exercise correctly. On the right side of the screen, you will see the number of repetitions needed to complete the current level. Below, you will also see a yellow bar slowly dropping. Each time you complete an exercise successfully, the bar will move up. The objective of each level is to complete the number of repetitions shown without letting the bar drop below the bomb line. You will see a pop-up after completing the level. Here, you may click on the Retry button to do this same exercise, or you may click on Next if you would like to continue to the next exercise. During the exercise selection screen, you may also click on the exercises at the bottom of the screen to jump to the desired exercise. You may click Exit anytime to finish your exercise session. After you have completed the custom regimen, the app will display the number of repetitions completed in your best attempt during the regimen for each exercise. It will also display the high score for each of the respective exercises. You will see a star next to the exercises that were successfully completed. If you would like to follow a campaign that gradually increases in difficulty, click on the Quick Play mode. In Quick Play mode, the object is to reach level 100 for each body part. There are 10 exercises for each body segment that gradually increase in difficulty from level 1 to level 10. Simply select the body part you would like your patient to work on and select the session duration to get started. In this mode, you will unlock additional exercises as you successfully complete the unlocked exercises. To track your progress, click on the rectangular FitMi level container on the home page. Here, you can view your progress sorted by type of metric, body region, and timescale. The default setting for this screen displays the total number of repetitions achieved for the specific body part you've selected. Click the drop-down menus on the upper right-hand corner of the graph to modify the metric. Click on the Set Weekly Goal button to set the total number of repetitions you would like your patient to complete for the body part selected. You will then see an orange dotted line that shows the goal for the week. You may click on the trash icon to reset the current user's data at any time. Doing this will erase all workout history. We encourage you to read through the user's guide for additional information. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact our support department and we will be happy to assist you. Thank you for choosing Flint Rehabilitation as your home therapy partner.